Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 Again Toys. Today we have a very special episode. We're going to open up these two timeless legends right here by Kenner starting lineups. It's Rocky Marciano and Joe Louis. Joe the Brown Bomber Louis and Rocky the Brockton Blockbuster Marciano. And as you can see, I wrote some notes down. I got a couple little cheat sheets right there. And these two met and had a fight in October 26, 1951. Rocky the Brockton Blockbuster Marciano versus Joe the Brown Bomber Louis. Joe Louis was from Chambers County, Alabama, and Rocky Marciano was from Brockton, Mass. Rocky was 37-0, and Joe Louis was 66-2-0. So they were both undefeated. And I said the date was October 26, 1951. Joe Louis was 6'1" with 212 pounds. Rocky Marciano was 5'11" and 184 pounds. Madison Square Garden is where they met with 17,000 fans attending. Louis was the slight favorite. And no matter who wins or loses in this fight, Louis would get $94,000, win or lose. Most of that went to back taxes that he owed. And win or lose, Rocky would take home $50,000. I did get to watch the fight. I looked, not in 1951 obviously, but I looked at it on YouTube and I watched it. And I just took notes as I was watching. Some good stuff right there. I'm going to pause and read that. I'm not going to read all that. That's the first card. And let's see now. Joe Louis was 37 years old coming into this fight. And Rocky Marciano was 28. So 37 and 28, that's a pretty big difference. And it is Joe Louis's last fight other than exhibitions. And as you see them featured there, Joe Louis was in the dark trunks. In 1937, Joe Louis won the title by knocking out James J. Braddock. He defeated it 25 times, or defended it, I'm sorry. He defended it 25 times between 1937 and 1948. He's a real champ. Had not been knocked out in 16 years in 1936. And then on Rocky Marciano, he was 28 years old, 37-0. 32 of those 37 were by KO. He knocked out 32 people out of 37. He came in with those white trunks that you see there. To this point, Rocky has never been knocked down, and that's in 39 fights. And Rocky was the winner. Rocky was the winner. And it happened in the 8th round. 2 minutes and 36 seconds into the 8th round, Rocky wins. So that is some cool stuff right there. I'm going to get both cards out first, and then we'll do the figures. And we're not doing bad on time. That's why I was reading so fast. That and the fact that I'm from Boston. I barely pause when I read. Alright, there's the two cards right there. Boom. Alright, let's go with Rocky first. Let's see, where can I put this? Let's put it right there. Alright, here's Rocky. Kenner starting lineups. Nice and smooth. A little bit of sticking on the head and tiny bit on the waist. Made in China. Surprise, surprise. And this is from According to the copyright, 1995. Rocky. Now, the champion's champion, Joe Louis. Ooh, a little sticking on that one. And a little bit sticking on the waist, but no sound really. Two great pieces. I'm going to turn his head like that. Bring that fist up, bring that fist up. That's a nice shot right there. Right at the same time. Bring his head that way. Thanks for tuning in and checking this out with me. We just opened up 2 Kenner starting lineup boxing action figures. Rocky Marciano versus Joe Louis. These are some of my very favorite in my toy collection. I still have, I believe these are doubles loose, and I still have one of each fresh in the package. I got Sugar Ray, and 2 Muhammad Ali's, and that's the complete set of this size. There's also some big ones. There's a Joe Frazier 12 inch. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. I know it's kind of a long video, but I had fun doing it, and I'm going to play with my toys now. Please subscribe, and T10 out.